Hello guys, good day. This is Vlog the Passion. Welcome back to my channel for today's vlog. We are now right here at Villa Mendoza Food Park located at Dr. A. Santos Avenue, Barangay San Isidro, Sucat, Parañaque City. So ayun na nga guys, I'm just waiting for my friends to come here before namin ipakita sa inyo kung anong meron sa simpleng food park located at Villa Mendoza, Barangay San Isidro, Sucat, Parañaque City. At isa sa mga famous landmark na malapit lang dito sa Villa Mendoza Food Park is yung Lopez Hypermarket. If you're at the Lopez Hypermarket, you're just 50 to 70 meters away from the Villa Mendoza Food Park. At ano ang maganda dito sa Villa Mendoza Food Park? Sobrang daming varieties of foods and maraming affordable pa. Sulit para dito nyo gawin ang dinner date ninyo or dito na kayo mag-spend ang hapunan ninyo before kayo umuwi galing sa trabaho. So ayun na nga, habang wala pa yung mga kasama ko, nagsimula na akong kumuha ng videos. And of course, nauna na rin akong umorder ng sarili kong barbecue. Sinobrahan ko siya ng konti, it's because of course I really want to share my order to them. Yung sakto lang kasi alam kong o-order din sila. And of course, marami pa kasi kaming o-orderin. And of course, it would be easy for me to assist them just in case since nauna na akong umorder ng barbecue. So let's start with the Pares Overload. So kung merong Pares Overload si Duwata, dito rin merong Pares Overload. So as you guys can see, our Pares Overload here is worth 85 to 95 pesos and up pa. Depende sa klase ng laman na ilalagay ninyo dun sa Pares. And here we go, nandito na nga si Kuya Mark. Isa siya sa mga kausap ko today para kumain sa Villa Mendoza Food Park. So yung price ng barbecue nag-i-start lang sa 16 pesos and up. And ayan na nga, dumating na rin si JC. So tatlo kami today. We have isaw tumbong hotdog laman, ulo ng manok, paa ng manok, and meron dong hita at saka mismo breast part ng manok. So it depends. Anong orderin mo, Kuya Mark? Na all. Magra-rice ako eh. So yun na nga guys, since sinabi kong magra-rice ako, ang gusto kong orderin today is shawarma rice. And here we go. Kuya, magkano shawarma rice mo? 125 po, buy one take one. Sige po, isa. Kaya guys, kung budget meal lang ang hanap ninyo dito sa Villa Mendoza Food Park, of course, 100 to 150 pesos, meron ka ng kasamang ulam with rice. Ayun o, scallops guys. Ayun. Kuya, ano yung best seller nyo po dyan?
Siyempre, scallops.
Ito daw. Ayan.
Hindi, ano to eh.
Ay, ayun o, ayun.
Ano scallops? Pag walang cheese scallops.
Yes, Kuya, laban. Ang ganito. Lomi Batangas, guys. So, Lomi Batangas, guys, starts at 99 pesos up to 165 pesos. And of course, hindi namin nakalimutang bumili ng mga pika-pika. So, we have cheese sticks here, kikiam, squid ball, chicharong bulaklak, and of course, chicken skin and fried na small crabs. So ayan guys, let's continue na libutin itong Villa Mendoza Food Park. So dito guys, meron din silang Hungarian Overload and Snacks Overload. So meron silang french fries, meron din silang nachos. And doon naman sa kabilang banda, meron nagbebenta ng mga corn and scrambles. So meron din dito nagbebenta ng ramen, and the ramen starts at 149 pesos. We also have pizza menu. Hindi ko na lang nakuha yung price ng pizza. Ayan. But once you are here, marami ka talaga magugustuhan, that's for sure. Actually, ngayon ko lang talaga na-discover na meron pala talaga dito ang Shoya Ramen. So, next na pagbalik ko dito, iyan naman yung tatargetin ko. And of course, ito na nga, we have Buko Juice as well. So, Buko Juice Station. And ayun na nga, we're just waiting for our orders na ma-release para makakain na kami. So, ayun, kinukuha ni Kuya Mark yung order niyang scallops. And ayan, sobrang sarap niya tignan talaga. Ang daming in-order ni Kuya.
Perfect.
Perfect yun.
Sobra?
So yun na nga guys, after naming makuha lahat ng orders namin, nag-take muna kami ng mga pictures together and then, eto na, let's go! Kainan na! Sarap yan guys! And ayun na nga guys, tapos na. Visit nyo na rin ang Villa Mendoza Food Park located at San Isidro, Parañaque City. Bye-bye! And if you really want to know more about our contents, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you'll be notified sa mga upcoming videos ko. You can also follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you so much and see you next one. Bye! We're now going to Secret Beach.